Welcome to another episode of Resell Recap, where we go over all the resellable items of the week. First up is the Jordan 6 DMP. These cost $200 and you can sell them on StockX for around $255. With fees of $30 per pair, you can profit around $25 on these. I would sell the DMPs right away because they're a really popular drop, but they're also a super general release, so a lot of people got these. I would say they're very similar to the Jordan 3 UNCs and the Jordan 11 Breds, where they just kind of flatten out after that original drop. So I would sell these right away, get your money, if there is any money to get. With taxes, your profit margins can go a lot farther down. But they're a really nice pair and they're great personal, so if you get them and you really like them, I would keep them for yourself. Next up, we got the Yeezy Boost 350 linen. These retailed for $220 and you can sell them on StockX right now for around $320. With fees of $40, you can make around $60 a pair on these, which is really nice. These were the most slept on drop of the week, and that's because Kanye actually limited the pairs on Adidas and Yeezy supply, allowing the demand to go a lot higher than the actual supply. Shoe that I would compare these to are the Yeshayas, because the Yeshayas are kind of nice looking, but they have no heel tab, and I would say that the prices in the base sizes 5 to 7 are also going to stay pretty high for the linens, but I think they'll kind of flatten out after a while, and I don't think there will be a lot of hold value, so if you got one of these, I'd sell it right away. Alright, next up we got the Supreme Woven Straw Mat, and these cost around $54 including shipping, and you can sell these on StockX right now for around $150, and with fees of $18, you can make around $78 per mat. I would say these prices are going to stay pretty similar for a while, so if you got one of these, I'd sell it right away, just securing your $80 profit real quick. These are really nice piece, and I kind of want one for myself, but with prices of $150, that's kind of a lot. Alright, next up we got the Supreme Chrome logo, which cost around $52, including shipping if you just got it by itself, and it can sell for around $70. With fees of $9, you could make around $9 per shirt. Alright, Supreme tees are really good holds, and I would hold these at least past the season. These should sell for around $100 in large, XL, and small, in black, and the other good colorways. Alright, next up is the Supreme Sailboat Tee. It costs $52 including shipping. You can sell it on StockX for around $75, and with fees of $9, you can make around $14 per shirt. Alright, so I think the Sailboat Tee is definitely going to go up, like I said, with the Chrome Tee. I'd really compare these ones to the Bible Tee and the Banner Tee, because those actually went up a lot since their actual release, and just for any Supreme Tee, if you hold past the season, the price will go up. I don't know if these will go up as much as the Bible Tee and the Banner Tee did, but I definitely think these are a great hold, and if you've got one of these, I would definitely hold it. Alright, for the drops of the week, I took an L on the Jordan DMPs. I was kind of sleeping on those. I also took an L on the linens. I didn't think they'd actually sell for that high of a price, so I just didn't go for them at all. And for the Supreme Woven Mat, I didn't think I could actually get it, so I didn't go for it. Alright, for the other two drops, I took a dub on the Sailboat Tee, and I also copped the Supreme Chrome Tee. Alright, for my resale recap, I sold 2 Court Purples, one in 4Y, one in 9. They cost $334, and we sold them for $381, netting in a profit of $46. And for Supreme, I copped the Dinosaur Tee, black large, the Chrome Tee, black large, the Sailboat Tee, black large, and I copped the Chrome Skateboard in black. I think those are all good hold pieces, and if you have any of them, I would hold them for a little bit. Alright, so if you want to cop any hype drops, the Jordan DMPs, the linens, the Court Purples, any of the Supreme drops, join the Discord, link in the description. We got everything. We got people telling you what the resale prices on these all are. It's really good. If you join it and you're disappointed, I'll PayPal you 1 cent. And we also have a bunch of methods. I just got in my most recent method. It was a shot glass. I've gotten some hairpins. And we actually got this new method where you can get free protein powder worth $40. All it takes is 30 minutes of your own time actually doing the method. It's really good. And if you just want free stuff, want new methods, join the Discord link in the description. I guarantee you'll make money.